We will now talk about body awareness, breath work, and feeling of opposites. Now, what are we trying to do in body awareness? We are actually scanning our body. And in this, why it's different? Because we are actually doing a body map from the body to the mind. In this process, what are we trying to do is we're trying to actually be aware of index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist. Like that, we are actually going and with awareness tapping one area into our mind. The instructor is repeating these body parts and the experiencer is actually lying down, and with awareness he is actually experiencing those body parts. He can even mentally repeat those parts. Now, a lot of people say that they sleep during this practice. It's actually because your body is started to accept the relaxation and it is going deeply into that state of relaxation. And it's also very much connected to the cerebral cortex. So you're actually going and touching each point on the cerebral cortex and you're mapping that with the body and mind, and your whole nervous system is relaxing because of that. Now, this is the practice which has been taken from the Nyasa. And now imagine if we had to do Nyasa, it was a very long process. And that's why Swami Satyananda Saraswati made it so simplified for us and very scientific. So body rotation works on the physical level, but it is also mapping your body from the physical level, moving on to the next, which is your mind space. Your whole nervous system gets relaxed here. And we get more and more receptive. We can accept relaxation. And from here, we move on to the breath work. So when we did internalization, we actually prepared the body to move inside. Then we put a sankalpa, which was sowing a seed. And then we relax the whole body by doing the body rotation. From here, we move on to the breath work, which we go more deeply inside. When we go more deep inside, we tend to sleep because our body is already relaxed on the physical level. But the idea is to keep the mind awake and aware. So how do we do that? In breath work, this time, what we do is we do backward counting from either 21 to 1, and we focus with awareness on either your navel, your heart area or your throat area, and the nostrils, otherwise also with the breath. We are not forcing the breath here. We're just being aware of the natural breath flowing. This relaxes you deeply on the mental level. Now from here we move on to the feeling of opposites, and you're actually moving on to the emotional side of yours. We feel pain, we feel pleasure, we feel heavy, we feel light. There are many emotions that we're going through lives every day, which becomes our habits, which become our patterns. So in this stage, we allow the practitioner to feel heavy or feel light in the body. We invoke the feeling of heaviness first, which is one example, and then we invoke the feeling after some time of lightness. So the person, the experiencer, is experiencing two opposite feelings. There can be many examples like love and hate. There can be hatred and jealousy. There can be pain and pleasure. They can be cool and light. There can be many feelings depending upon what we need to address as what we want to solve in ourselves. So feeling of opposites, it works on the emotional level and it helps your nervous system and your whole autonomic nervous system to actually help the homeostasis and balance your body and mind and bring it back into harmony. We check the other processes in the next video.